Hey friends, welcome to Code Explorer. Today we are going to see question maximum path sum. So let's understand the question first. So we have to return a maximum sum of a path in a binary tree. So for this particular tree, what is a maximum path sum? So if we consider this path, we have a sum 15 plus 20 is 35 plus 7 is 42. So we have to return this 42. Okay, but if this is a plus 10 instead of minus 10, then our maximum path sum will be from this path. Okay, so we have to return this sum according to the problem. Okay, so let's understand the logic of this question. Okay, so there are four things we have to take in count when we are on a particular node. So let's take example of this 20, because this node has left child and right child and previous node. So let's take example of this 20. So on this node 20, what are the possible sum values? Okay, so the first can be this path. Okay, then the second path can be this. Okay, and the third path can be this. Okay, or there can be a no path, that is 20 itself is maximum in these threes. Okay, for example, if this is a minus 15 and this is minus 7. Okay, so if we add minus 15 and minus 7 in 20, the value will decrease. So we'll just return this 20 only, the previous node. Okay, so that is also possibility. So we have to take maximum of all these four possibilities. What are that four possibilities? Root plus left plus right, comma root plus left, comma root plus right, or only root. Okay, yes, I hope you understand this. Yes, now one more thing is, let's say we are on a 20 and we have a maximum sum of 42 here. Okay, and suppose this is 100. Okay, suppose this is 100. Okay, now we are on 42. Okay, so recursion has executed this whole part. Okay, now what 20 will return to, sorry, so what 20 will return to this node? Will it return this 42? If it returns the 42, the sum will be what? 142. But the path of that sum will be what? This, like this. But this is invalid path. Okay, this is what? Invalid path. So 20 can return either current node, that is 20, or it can return this path, or 20 can return this path. But 20 cannot return this triangular path to 10, because that will be a invalid path. Okay, so we have to take in account two variables. One is for finding the maximum sum, and one is for what path the current node will return to the previous node. Okay, so we have a two variables of temporary answer and two return variable. Okay, so temporary answer will find the maximum of all the four values that we have discussed. What are that four values? Either node, or node plus right, or node plus left, or node plus right plus left. Maximum of all these four is what? Temporary answer. And we'll check that temporary answer with answer. If temporary answer is greater than answer, we'll store temporary answer in answer. and then we'll find to return, and we'll return a to return to the previous node. Okay, so let's try run this question. Yes. Okay, so we have a maximum path function. Then if the root is null ptr, we'll return answer, and we have declared answer here globally. And then we have created a function maximum path sum root and answer, because for every root we are passing answer to the previous node. Okay, so each time answer is necessary to modify it. So uh, in this maximum path sum function, we have passed our root and sum. If the root is null ptr, we'll return 0, but root is not null ptr, so we'll go further. Then we have a recursive call for int left is equals to maximum path sum roots left comma answer. Okay, so call will go here. Then again call will go for nines left, but it will return what? 0. Then call will go for nines right, it will also return 0. Okay, so this will also return 0. Now for this 9, we'll find this temporary answer and two return values. Okay, so for 9, what are the four things? 9 plus 0 is what? 9. First one is a triangular path, then second one is the only node, which is 9. Then third one is a 9's left plus 9, which is also 9. Then 9's right plus 9, which is also 9. So what is the temporary answer here? 9. Maximum of all these four is what? 9. So initially answer is what? Int mean. So what is maximum between answer and temporary answer? It is temporary answer. So we'll modify our answer with temporary answer. Yes. Now 9 will return answer to 10. For this 10 node, left part has been executed, so call will go for right. Then for this node, call will go for left. Okay, so for this 15, among the four values, we have a 15 as a maximum, and our previous answer is what? 9. Okay, so what is maximum between 9 and 15? We have 15. Okay, so 15 will be stored in answer. Sorry, 15 will be stored in answer. Okay, yes. So now for this 20, left part has been executed, so call will go for right, and all four values for this node are what? 7 only, but 7 is less than 15, so again the answer is what? 15. Then this will return answer to 20. For 20, what are the all four calls? Four values. First one is a 20, that is what? Nodes data, comma. The second one is what? 20 plus 15, that is 35. 35. Okay, then 20 plus 7, that is 27, and 15 plus 20 plus 7, that is what? 42. And what is maximum among these four? 42. Okay, so temporary answer is what? 42. Is 42 greater than answer? Yes, it is greater than answer, so we have our new answer as what? Okay, so let's calculate two return value for this 20. So what this 20 will return to minus 10? Either its data, okay, so maximum of its data, or this plus this, which is 35, or this plus this, that is what? 27. What is maximum? So 35 is maximum, so it will return what? 35. Okay, it will return what? 35. No, so for this 10, what are the four values? Its own data minus 10, minus 10, this, so its own data minus 10, then minus 10 plus 9, what is it? Minus 1. Then minus 10 plus 35, what is it? 25. Or this triangular path, what is it? 9 minus 10 is what? Minus 1 plus 35, 34. Okay, what is maximum among this is what? 34. And we have a answer 42. Is 34 greater than 42? No. So answer will not update. And all the recursive calls are done. So finally, what we'll do, we'll return this answer. That is what? 42. Okay, so let's see the code on Leetcode. Yes, so this is a binary tree maximum path sum. Okay, and we have discussed this example. And yes, this is a code. So let's run this code. Yes, let's submit this code. Yes, so that's it for this question. So just dry run this all recursive calls by your own and understand the logic properly, and first do it by yourself, then see the solution. Yes, that's it for this video, and please subscribe the channel if you like the video, find it meaningful, and yes, comment below what more questions you want, uh, so I'll post that accordingly. Yes, thank you, keep coding.